Hello students, today I will discuss new chapter of class 10th mathematics, pair of linear equation in two variables. First I will discuss pair of linear equation in two variables, some important points. First point is an equation of the form ax is equal to b or ax plus b is equal to 0 where a not equal to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. Note that a value of x which satisfies the given linear equation in one variable is called its solution. Variable is given here x, which is said to be linear because degree of x is given here 1. For example, first 2x is equal to 5 is a linear equation in one variable x. Its solution is 5 by 2. X is equal to 5 by 2 is solution of given linear equation. Second, 3x plus 9 is equal to 0 is linear equation of one variable. Its solution will be minus 3. Transpose 9 to right hand side, then x is equal to minus 9 by 3, which is equal to minus 3. Second important point is an equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a, b and c are real numbers and a b are not both 0 is called a linear equation in two variables, which is general linear equation of two variables. Two variables are x and y. A, b, c are constant. For example, 5x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables x and y. Here a is equal to 5 not equal to 0, b is equal to 3 not equal to 0, c is equal to minus 7 not equal to 0. And in second, 8x minus 5y is equal to 15 is a linear equation in two variables x and y. Here a is equal to 8. Compare ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 to these linear equations of two variables. Then compare these two equations. A is equal to 8, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to minus 15. Transpose 15 to left hand side, which becomes minus 15 is equal to 0. Third linear equation of two variable is 4x minus 8y minus 5 is equal to 0 is a linear equation of two variables x and y. Here a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to minus 5. And fourth linear equation of two variables is y is equal to 7x plus 5 is a linear equation in two variables x and y. Transpose y to right hand side, this equation become 7x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Then here a is equal to 7, b is equal to minus 1. When you transpose y to right hand side, y will be negative and its coefficient is equal to minus 1. Then b is equal to minus 1 not equal to 0 and c is equal to 5. Third important point is the standard form of pair of linear equation in two variable x and y is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These two equations are said to be standard form of linear equation of two variables. These two equations are in standard form where a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 are real numbers. Coefficient of variables are real numbers. a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0, a2 square plus b2 square also not equal to 0. अगर किसी टू लीनियर इक्वेशन को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में दिखाना है तो इसी फॉर्म में हम दिखाएंगे a1x प्लस b1y प्लस c1 इक्वल टू 0, a2x प्लस b2y प्लस c2 इक्वल टू 0. Simultaneous linear equation in two variable. A pair of linear equation in two variables form a system of simultaneous linear equation in two variables. For example, x plus y is equal to 30, x minus y is equal to 6 is a pair of linear equation in two variables. It's form a system of simultaneous linear equation of simultaneous is a pair of linear equation in two variables is form a system of simultaneous equations where constant term lie on right hand side. Okay.